Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is nice and short and sweet. I'm going to show you how I make my turmeric shots. Why do I take these shots? It's really for those anti-inflammatory benefits from the turmeric. The shots are super easy and it just means when you wake up in the morning, you just pour yourself a shot, take it, and there you go. You've just had all those amazing anti-inflammatory benefits to start the day. So let's get straight onto it. Ingredients that you are going to need is 1 lemon. You're going to need about a good thumb size of ginger. You're going to need about 4 finger sizes of turmeric, and then you are going to need a nice ripe pineapple. This is about kind of a medium-sized pineapple. So I'm going to just start off by prepping everything. If I had 2 cameras, I would give you some more like cinematic shots of me cutting this up, but I don't, so I'm just going to leave the camera where it is. Okay, that is all cut up, so I'm ready to juice. You do not need to peel your turmeric. This always makes me laugh because one of my clients, bless her, she did actually try peeling the turmeric before she juiced it, and then she was like, oh my god, Ebony, my fingers are orange. So yeah, I do not want that happening to you, so yeah, you don't have to peel the turmeric, that can just be juiced whole. So the trick when juicing this is start off with a little bit of pineapple just to kind of get some liquid going through the juicer. Then you're going to want to go to the harder things like the turmeric and then the ginger, and then you just continue with all like the pineapple and the lemon juice, which is going to help keep flush everything through the juicer, and then we will finish off with some water. So let's get going. Point, you might see there might be a little bit of turmeric and some of the ingredients still kind of just lingering in the juicer. So I do just take a little bit of water. Just really the aim of the water is just to help flush the juicer through and just make sure we've kind of got all the goodness out. If anyone is wondering what juicer I'm using, I have a sage juicer. They are absolutely fantastic. I have one, my mum has one. We've had these for literally years. So they are a little bit more pricey, but it's worth the investment. Like this, like I said, it's lasted us years and it's still going very, very strong. So then I'm just gonna pour that into a little glass bottle that I have saved. Okay, so that is the shots all ready for the week. This probably would actually do about 2 people for a whole week. So if you live on your own, you could maybe just half this like recipe, I guess. Or if you live with someone, get them on the shots, on the turmeric shots. Now, this is really important to know. When you take your shot, so let's take it together here. When you take your shot, you need to make sure you add some black pepper, because the black pepper actually activates the curcumin inside the turmeric, and it actually makes it about 2,000 times more bioavailable to your bloodstream. So basically what that means is if you add black pepper, you're going to get so many more benefits from these shots and all those anti-inflammatory properties. So I just poured myself out a shot, and do this daily. I personally find if you put the peppers in the shots, I find it makes them go a bit funny, and like you have to keep on shaking them, and sometimes they can sit at the bottom. So yeah, I just do this daily. Take a little bit of pepper, sprinkle it on top, and cheers. Oh, they're really good. I mean, I really like the taste of turmeric shots. I must say I put quite a bit of ginger in that, so it's got quite the kick. So there you go, I'm so anti-inflamed. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do let me know if you try these shots out, and let me know how you feel after having these in your daily routine, day to day. Yeah, that is all I really have to say. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.